puzzle can turn with all 4 layers on each of its 3 axes. Here we can see the screws, springs, and core. The screw, spring, and core come together to form the base of the puzzle. Here we see one of the hidden pieces within the puzzle. This is an edge piece, which is equivalent to a 5x5 edge piece. This is the second one of the hidden pieces in the puzzle. These 2 pieces combine to create a sphere in which all other pieces lock into. Here we are looking at a center, edge, and corner piece of the puzzle, all of which can be seen on the outside. They come together in much the same way as a 5x5 or 3x3, each one of the pieces locking each other in place. Because all a 4x4 really is just a 5x5 with a hidden center layer.